Yeah, hi. So now let's explain the versions of Python. Yes, there are the three versions of the Python. So initially begin with the Python 1. So Python 1 is a basic version, starting version of the Python developed by the Guido van Rossum. It is developed by the Guido van Rossum. It is the basic initial starting version of the Python, and it releases in the 1991. From the 1991 only, the Guido van Rossum started the Python 1. So it is a basic and starting version of the Python, and it laid the foundations for all the Python versions. So this is a initial. This is the foundation for the all Python versions. So this is the Python 1 and its history and the features of the Python. So there are the many features of the Python 1. Simple and readable syntax. As I already said that the Python is the simple and it is easy to read. So it is like a English type language. So this is the one feature, and the next one is the high level programming language. So it is a English type language. It is easy to read and easy to understand for the programmers. Easy to understand for the programmers and interpreted. As I already said that the uh, it compiles line by line. This is also the another feature, and the next feature is the basic supports basic data type. Means it supports the basic initial data types like integer, float, int for integers, and float, and strings and complex, etc. For all, it supports the basic data types and supports functions and modules. Supports functions and modules. So the in the Python one, it supports the functions and modules. With that functions and modules, we can build the code and we can build the programming easily. We can build any task. It is already built in the Python. So these are the features in the Python one, and the status. Uh, the status is the Python one is the it is outdated version. So uh, Python one is the old version, and it is a starting version and old version. We cannot use this Python one and not used today. Uh, this is the old version. When the Python begins by the Guido van Rossum, so Python 1 is the version. On that time, the Python 1 is used. This is not the latest version and no longer supported. It is no longer supported. So because the Python 1 is the basic version. Basic, and it is old. And let's talk about the Python 2.x. Python 2.x released in the 2000, in the year 2000, after the Python 1. And this is the 2.7 is the last version, and it is a popular version. It introduces the all features and used widely in the old applications. But this 2.x version uses the old applications and features. The features of the Python 2 is the uh, print is the statement. So print takes a statement in the Python 2. In the Python 2, print is the statement, integer integer division by default. So in the operators we can use the integers, right? Like this is the divided by symbol, right? If we perform this symbol, it directly gives the integer. The result will give the integers. For example, 5 by 2 is there, right? So 5 by 2 means it gives 2. It performs 2 as an integer. And the limited Unicode supports. Unicode means before the string, like for example, this is the text in the string, right? Before the string suffix, we can use u. This is called the Unicode string. So this is the limited for the Python 2. We can use this string before this string we can use u. By this we can save say lots of memory, and it is hard to read these strings for the common users or programmers. And the raw input used for the input, this is the function which uses the input from the users. Raw input, this is the function it uses for the input from the keyboard. And the status is the, it is a official support ended in the 2020. So 2020 only it outdated. This Python 2 is not used. Before 2020 only use 2020. After we can't use this 2.x. So this is outdated and no longer recommended. This is not recommended as of now. So Python 2 is now deprecated. So it is not active. So 2.x. And coming about the Python 3.x, this is the latest version and trending version. So it released in the 2008 and current and actively developed version. As I already said that this is a current and it is a active version, and these are the latest versions. So 3.10, 11, 12, and upcoming versions also the 3. So current version and running the version is the 3 Python 3 3.x. So this is running, and the features of this version are, so print is the function. So in the, as I already said that 2.x, print is the statement, but here we can use print like a function. So in the 2.x, print like a statement. So this is the one difference. And the another feature is it supports Unicode by default. Means this is a string, like text. This is a string. So we no need to use the u before the string suffix. We don't need to use this u before the string. This supports the Unicode. Means saves a memory and better security and performance. And the performance and security also better compared to the previous versions. It has more security and performance and fast. Performance means fast and develop easily, and improved libraries and models. are much more libraries and modules in the Python 3 compared to previous versions. These libraries and modules are developed more more and more. We can use these libraries and models very easily to reduce the code, and we can use that modules and libraries more easily. So here the input is this in it is a function for for using the input. So this statement is enough. In the previous version we can use the raw input, right? So here we can use the input as a just input function. So that is the difference. And status is the this is the most and very popular version. So recommended version, and it is a very active, and you can use this version it current used in education, industry and research. We can use it many platforms like education, industry and research. So this is the best version and the current version, and anywhere using trending Python 3. So we so this current trending is the Python 3. We can use the Python 3 as now. It compared to older versions, this Python 3 is the this is the best version and the overcome and updated version. So thank you.